What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So today's live stream was absolutely amazing. We had a lot of people that were there, whether you were on Rumble or you were on YouTube. I appreciate you guys for being there, for being a part of this stream. It means a lot to me that you guys, show up and you're interested in the things that I do say, or maybe you're just interested in anybody talking about XRP at that time because it's early in the morning. Maybe there's not a lot of people that are streaming at that time. I love to stream. I love to communicate with you guys and be active in the chat. So I appreciate you guys. And I was able to give away some free XRP to two different people, I think. It might have been three different people. No, two different people. I gave away XRP two different times on Rumble. So if you guys want to subscribe or follow on Rumble, feel free to do that. I'll provide the link at the top of the chat. We do giveaways over there and we do live streams. Usually on the weekends, we'll do a Rumble only live streams or a Rumble only live stream. And I don't know if we'll start doing Rumble only live streams like later at night, maybe like 30 minutes to see how the market, looks before everybody goes to sleep. But we'll see how that all plays out. But XRP looked absolutely fantastic today. It was really running to so many levels that people were just so excited. It seemed like every time we looked away from it, it started to run. And then we looked back at it and it was like, it was at a higher number. And we were like, all right, well, let's just look away again. Came back, it was like 73 cents. So we saw it really push up to higher and higher levels today. And I was excited the whole morning. Whether we were talking about anything else, I still had XRP in the back of my mind, and we were getting a ton of questions where people were like, is 1,000 enough? Is 500 enough? Is 50 XRP enough? And enough is that question, right? Is it enough for what, right? Is it enough to become a millionaire? I would say that you probably don't want to just bank on becoming a millionaire from a lower amount of XRP. Yes, it could possibly happen. But let's, be 100% realistic in your investments. What will likely happen as you see it go from $50, right, up to $5,000? Are you telling me you're going to look at that gain and go, okay, $5,000, I'm not going to take my initial investment, or I'm not going to take $1,000 or $2,000 of it so that I can invest into another play? There's so many opportunities, so many things that could be done with XRP, whether you're holding 50, 100, 500, 1,000, 20,000, 100,000, or a million, right? There's so many things that can be done and so many possibilities of what the price points can be. So let's talk about the explosion. Let's show you where XRP has been today, what has happened today, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Rumble and join those live streams that I've been doing, the link will be down in the description. Definitely do that. It does help out with the channel and helps out with, my, growth, I guess. So let's talk about XRP. If we look at the charts and where it currently stands, it's up 9% on the day. We're seeing it at 71.2 cents. A $38.1 billion market cap, almost $38.2 billion market cap, with $3.2 billion worth of volume. That is insane. That is fantastic to see. The volume to market cap ratio is 8.42%. So seeing it more in the popularity stage, which you've seen in a lot of plays that are up in the top 5, top 10. But you're also seeing the volume overall 89% increase. And I don't think it's going to stop there. I think we have so much more room for growth. And I've said this plenty of times that it's going to grow a lot further. Now, one thing that has people worried and also has people hype at the same time is this right here, the circulating supply and max supply. So the circulating supply, you're seeing about 53.6 billion coins. The total supply is about 99.9 billion coins, meaning that you can essentially dilute it 100%, almost 100%. And that's their plan, is to add 1 billion XRP every single month. That means that you're adding 12 billion XRP every single year, meaning that the inflation rate on this is about 24% every single year. That's pretty high, right? Because you look at something like Dogecoin and they have like a 5% inflation rate, which is still ridiculous. But at least, XRP, everything is out here. You do add it to the circulating supply, but for Dogecoin, you're seeing new coins that are minted, new coins that are created, right? For XRP, nothing new is being created. It's just whether it's going to be minted. Now, that's on the negative side. On the positive side, people believe that what we're going to see is the SEC that forces, Ripple to kind of burn the escrow. And honestly, that would be amazing for investors because then we would have no dilution. And we are seeing dilution every single month. We see more and more dilution that happens in it. So the fact that we might not see any more dilution and we could see the ultimate low circulating supply being at about 55 billion, that means that it opens the door for a lot higher prices. The reason why it shuts the door for a lot of people is because when you have 100 billion coins, you now see a dollar price at $100 billion market cap, a $2 price at a $200 billion market cap. And then you start seeing that in order to get to a $1 trillion market cap, or in order to get to a $10 price, it would be a $1 trillion market cap versus the $500 billion market cap if it was at a 50 billion coin supply. So obviously we know it's going to be insanely difficult to, function forward or move forward if we are not going to see that escrow that gets burned off. However, it's not the end of the world. And what XRP actually does, it's not something that's going to just be completely detrimental if you don't see that, right? Now, we saw a decent size increase over the day, right? If we look at the price movement and how this has pushed up. So throughout the morning, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., I was awake pretty much all night. I did go to sleep for like an hour from like 3 to 4:30. So like maybe an hour and a half. And then I woke up and started to, work again and jump on a live stream at like 6. And it was fun to have that live stream. A lot of people came through. I think we had a max concurrent viewers of like 370. So that was fun, really, really fun, really, really active in the chat, as well as having the most viewers I've ever seen on Rumble, which is around 82 actually. And then we also had, 2 giveaways that were going on, which was really, really fun. So anyways, it got to a price of 73 cents. So the questions that were coming up in the live stream were about like whether we were going to see this hit a new high for 2023. Are we going to see it break $1 by the end of this year? And honestly, with the movement that we are seeing with Bitcoin's dominance decreasing and everything in that nature, I feel as though XRP has a strong case to why it would increase the potential settlement that could come in, right? And what that really entails, right? Whether it will be burning escrow, whether it will be, $20 million or less. Either way, it seems like it may be a win for XRP, for Ripple overall. So we're all not understanding if we're going to see it break it. I believe, if you had to get it from me, I believe that we will break it. I believe that we will break that level of $1. And then when we see 2024, that's where we'll see things really push up. But remember, we still do have that dilution. It's not something that's going to be an absolute game changer for everybody, but it will make a difference when it comes to the ultimate goal that we get to if the escrow is still available and it continues to add, 12 billion every single year. So guys, let me know what you think about XRP and where we stand with XRP. Let me know what you think about the movement that we saw today, because it was really, really exciting to see that movement, as well as all of the chats and all the conversations that were going on in the live stream. I appreciate you guys for being there. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. And again, follow my Rumble if you guys aren't. We just hit 200 followers over there, looking to grow to 500 now, and then the milestone of hitting 1,000. So I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.